wa Ngai TV.
Ndugu ni makinya matũritwaranaga nawe guoka ni mohoro-ini ma
uteti gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ona nja wa itoka cia Kenya,
wonjoria,
ũkũria n'ũthii wa na mbere,
ũrĩmi ona gĩthomo,
ũgima wa mwĩrĩ
ona ningĩ mathako. Nyitanagĩra na ithuĩ thĩinĩ wa Mũrata Mĩaraho,
thĩinĩ wa Mũrata thaa 1
na Mũrata thaa 3 cia hwaĩ-inĩ.
Kĩnyitanagĩra na niĩ Wanjirũ Wainaina
na niĩ Mũciri wa Mwangi,
oro na niĩ Mũthuri ti Gĩcĩra.
amu gĩkĩ nĩkĩo gĩtwe kĩa mohoro marĩa makwĩgiĩ.
Eno ni Mũrata wa Ngai TV.
Mwega mwiroreri wa Mũrata wa Ngai TV, ni njĩtagwo mũtungatĩri Bethi wa John. Maandĩko thĩinĩ wa ibuku rĩa Thaburi 103 verses 2 and verses 3 maugaga atĩrĩrĩ: ngoro yakwa kĩgathe Jehova, na ndũkanariganĩrwo nĩ wega ona ũmwe wa marĩa anagwĩka. Arĩ we ũkũhagĩra waganu waku wothe, ndwari ciaku ciothe onacio nowe ũkũhonagia. Nĩkĩo ndĩragwĩtĩra mahoya maitũ ma monthly prayers marĩa magakorwo kũrĩa kanitha-inĩ witũ wa Theophilus Njatha-inĩ Church, marĩa magakorwo magĩtongorio nĩ Bishop John Gĩthirĩ kũrĩ mweri 1 mweri wa gatano mwaka ũyũ wa 2026 kwambĩrĩria thinacara cia rũcinĩ. Karibuni sana.
Eno ni Mũrata wa Ngai TV.
Ni hamwe na nja wa itoka cia Kenya ni ithaa rĩega rĩa tũkũmenyithie marĩa meyumĩrĩtie. Ngĩgũtereba niĩ njĩtagwo Wanjirũ wa Wainaina, Mũciri wa Mwangi. Kũhana atĩa?
Nĩ kwega mũno hwaĩ-inĩ wa mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Twacokereria tuma karĩko atĩ thaa 3 na ciĩgĩrĩte wega mũnyugĩ kahĩtũki na ndagĩka 1 kwa Mũrata wa Ngai TV. Ũmũthĩ tũkĩmemerekia ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe kuma kanitha-inĩ wa Theophilus Church Njatha-inĩ.
Ũmũthĩ nĩguo gũkĩrĩ na seminar nĩ rakĩanjĩrĩirie mũthenya wa ira, ni seminar ya mbeũ njĩthĩ.
Ũguo na nĩ seminar ĩrĩa ĩkĩrũgamĩrĩirwo nĩ Bishop John Gĩthirĩ wa Theophilus Church gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ ona nja wa itoka cia Kenya. Twĩ haha tũkũmũreke riboti iria tũharĩirwo nĩ andĩki aitũ a mohoro ũrĩa bũrũri wa tindo kĩgariũra o kumarĩrĩa riũa rĩkiumire ngoi-inĩ. Njĩtagwo Mũciri wa Mwangi.
Nina njĩtagwo Wanjirũ wa Wainaina, tũkĩhũra mohoro maya cabi bũrũri wothe ũkirĩte ki mohoro marekererio. Tũkĩambĩrĩria na riboti citũ nĩ atĩ rũhonge rwa IEBC nĩ rũtangathĩte mũbango wa kuongerera namba ya mabũrũri marĩa marĩ na Akenya marĩkoragwo makĩnyitanĩra harĩ gũthurana rĩrĩa ithurano irĩkoragwo igĩtabanio.
Nake mũrũgamĩrĩri wa IEBC Ledama Sankuri augĩte atĩ commissioner ĩno ĩrabatara ciringi milioni 400 nĩgetha gatagatĩ ka mabũrũri marĩa matarĩtwo mũbango-inĩ ũyũ ta Saudi Arabia, Botswana, Oman, Australia, Sweden, Switzerland, Netherlands, Ghana, bũrũri wa Sweden, Italy, DRC Congo, Nigeria, Ireland, Turkey, Ethiopia, China, oro hamwe na bũrũri wa Mozambique. Ripoti ino leke tumiamukire.
Naona burden inaendelea na kuongezeka. Ukiangalia payslip za watu zinakaa mbaya. Saa hii mafuta ni hiyo nayo imepanda. Vile mimi ningemwambia Mheshimiwa Rais, hii taxes na revenue ile pesa yote wanaweka kwa mafuta watoe, ndio watu wetu waweze kununua mafuta kwa bei rahisi.
Serikali ya Jamhuri ya Kenya imepandisha kitu inaitwa fuel levy ikaenda juu, na hiyo inamaanisha it is going to affect every sector of the economy. Mtu wa kawaida yule bodaboda ambaye aliweka Mheshimiwa Ruto katika serikali anaenda kuumia.
Last time we spent close to 300 million to do diaspora registration. 300 million divided by say 10,000, you can see that the figure per person, per voter is so high. Is so high. And but we are bound by the law again, and this is why this discussion is here, to Honorable Chair and members, so that we can see how we can progress it. So the legal gaps I've already mentioned, they are being worked on, and the prayer that we bring to this Honorable Committee on page 16 is therefore to, we are seeking Chair and all the members, the Commission who is proposing legal alignment. The current framework is prohibitive. Adequate funding, interagency, improved interagency coordination. Last time we spent close to 300 million to do diaspora registration. 300 million divided by say 10,000, you can see that the figure per person, per voter is so high. Is so high. And but we are bound by the law again, and this is why this discussion is here, to Honorable Chair and members, so that we can see how we can progress it. So the legal gaps I've already mentioned, they are being worked on, and the prayer that we bring to this Honorable Committee on page 16 is therefore to, we are seeking Chair and all the members, the Commission
ya Machakos marenda President William Ruto kuroboya maundu megie ahuri biashara nini hamwe na akui a bodaboda kuromerera kuhaisha kwa bei ya maguta kuona niongereirwo na gikiro kiria mukui wa kawaida gukorwa kihinyirika na njira nene.
Na riu maugite President William Ruto eherie magutaini ma fetro na nigetha bei ya thi ikorwo igicoka o ta mutugo. Twamukire ripoti kuma kuri mwandiki witu wa mohoro.
Tunaona burden inaendelea na kuongezeka. Ukiangalia payslip za watu zinakaa mbaya. Saa hii mafuta ni hiyo nayo imepanda. Vile mimi ningemwambia Mheshimiwa Rais, hii taxes na revenue ile pesa yote wanaweka kwa mafuta watoe, ndio watu wetu waweze kununua mafuta kwa bei rahisi.
Serikali ya Jamhuri ya Kenya imepandisha kitu inaitwa fuel levy ikaenda juu, na hiyo inamaanisha it is going to affect every sector of the economy. Mtu wa kawaida yule bodaboda ambaye aliweka Mheshimiwa Ruto katika serikali anaenda kuumia. Sasa sisi tunasema kwa sababu serikali iko na pesa nyingi, badala ya kuongezea hii kodi wananchi on top of high taxation regime, tunaomba hiyo ipunguzwe na alafu bei ya mafuta iende chini.
Lakini bila kuongeza bei ya mafuta, ile ushuru walipunguza, hata mafuta imekuwa ya bei kali kuliko vile ilikuwa na hiyo ushuru sasa hivi. Wanadanganya Wakenya, serikali imekuwa ni ya uongo, ya ukora, inadanganya watu kabisa. Na bei ya mafuta ikipanda kila kitu inapata. Sasa wewe kama ni president wa Kenya, Bwana Ruto, unaongeza bei ya mafuta. Na vile uchumi uko mbaya namna hii. Unaelewa Kenya wanakaa namna gani kweli? Hii umaskini anaelewa kweli?
Na tugitigana na riboti yo tuthi riboti nege atongoria a kiama kia UDA ni mateteire thirikari kurumirira kuongerereka kwa maguta bururi-ini guku makiuga ati uri ni undu utangihotire kugiriririo ni undu wa bara ya bururi wa Iran na America niyo yakorirwo igicungiriria kuongerereka guku.
Ariwa atongoria aya maugite ati kigina kiria kirekereirio ni thirikari kia guteithiriria hari kugwithia maguta ya ciringi bilioni 3.2 na uira muiganu ati thirikari iri na mubango mwega wa kugeria kwigwithia maguta. Ripoti ino ni weno wa
hii nchi si mtu mmoja. We are getting concerned that one person will wake up every morning, pick on a subject matter, malign one person after another, and think he can get away because there's a community or some people he appeals to that he will ask to the streets. He's asking for mass action of an international fuel crisis. If Rigiji was sincere, the same way once upon a time he called on Trump to arrest certain people from Kenya, Rigiji should be calling for mass action against Trump and the war criminal Netanyahu. Those are the people who created this crisis, not William Ruto, not the people of Kenya, not trying to put young men to the streets to come and loot and destroy property. Those are the people you should be calling for mass action for. Lakini wajua ukiwa maumau bandia, hiyo ndio kazi unafanya. Vitisho vya urongo na kutisha wale ambao unafikiria hawezi kufanya kitu. Finally, I wish to take this opportunity to commend the government for taking progressive steps to navigate the prevailing challenges and cushion consumers from the adverse effects of the international oil price shocks. And this I want to assure the people of Kenya. I think the government is extremely compassionate. It appreciates the crisis that we have been driven to by the illegal war in the Middle East. And I am sure that all reasonable measures will be taken, even as we progress to readjust the interventions.
Na tugethie na mbere aikari a kaunti ya Nakuru mari na mwahu aria mari mwahu-ini wa Linda Mwananchi kiama-ini kia ODM gitongoretio ni Edwin Sifuna na marenda aikari a kaunti no gukeyumiria kwa wingi muthenya wa Kiumia na hakiri urugo ni ati muingi ni uritio ukanagacirithia thayo muthenya ucio
na moritio nigetha mucimanio uria ugatafanio ugakinyaniria muoroto waguo uria kwagiriire. Riboti makiria ikihana to
Linda Kenya, Linda Mwananchi, people power.
Sijajaza bado.
Alikuwa juu hata asuni like.
We understand the most pressing issue right now in the country is the issue of fuel prices, and our principals have made pronouncement on social medias on the same, and on Sunday we are also going to give direction on the same on how we need to approach this government.
Tungependa kusema hii meli ya Linda Mwananchi imeondoka na hakuna chochote kitasimama mbele kitusimamishe. Ya pili ni kuwaalika wananchi wa Nakuru mujitokeze kwa wingi. Tunawahitaji wote kuanzia kanisani hadi Mazembe grounds.
Nina imani kwamba Linda Mwananchi ina confirm kwamba ipo siku, for sure there is a day that will come that we shall all sing hallelujah that we are tumekomboa Nakuru na tumekomboa nchi yetu. Nachukua nafasi hii nimkaribishe Bwana Sifuna na viongozi wote na niwaombe wajihisi kwamba wako nyumbani, kwa sababu hapa ndipo tunaita Nakuru County. If Nakuru coughs, the whole country will cough.
Nchi yote inasema ni wakati wa mabadiliko. Tarehe 19 tutakuwa tunafanya what you're calling a historical declaration right here in Nakuru. Kwa hivyo tunaomba wananchi wote wa Kenya waangazie mkutano huu kupitia runinga, na pia wale ambao wataweza kufika waje kule katika uwanja wa Mazembe.
Tutigane na riboti yo tuthie kwigie ugima wa mwiri. Ciana 90 atumia 15 ni makuaga oro muthenya guku makigia ciana kaunti-ini ya 45 bururi-ini kuringana na CS Aden Duale. Na riboti itaririe ati wagi wa dawa na indo iria ifataranagia thibitari-ini niguo thina uria munene uria ukoragwo ugicungiriria ikuũ cia atumia na ciana.
Aru ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni uritie bodi iria koragwo ikirumburia uhoro uyu kunyagia dawa guku bururi-ini ni kwaga kurora uhoro wa mathiri hindi iria makamba kuhonokia mioyo ya atumia na ciana. Riboti ino etario
As we sit here right now, there is a mother who has passed on. As we sit here, Waziri, we are losing 92 newborns every day, every day. What interventions can we be able to put in place? I always tell my team, we are leaders of this country. We will be held accountable in front of God. We cannot run away from that. In one way or another, we can be able to change something.
So when women go to our facilities and for one reason or another, the mindset of the healthcare worker is how can they see a pregnant woman and they see money. So at the end of the day, people either sit on a patient because they want to claim that money.
I'm going to send another letter to KEMSA today, telling KEMSA that you can deny the counties any other commodity, but not those ones. Mothers who used to sleep on the floor, NHIF used to pay. Mothers who used to share beds, NHIF used to pay. So now SHA will not pay you. SHA will not pay. That's why you see hospitals now are not bothered. SHA will pay you based on the beds on your license.
Na tole ciegi ogima wa mwiri ni atia tugati arwaru ni mokiriire thirikari ya Embu ni gutiganiria thibitari wa Ishara kuona thibitari uyu ugumirwo ni mathina kihiri ta wagi wa mai matheru dawa hamwe na wagi wa indo iria irabatarania hari kugitira mirimo na arwaru.
Na rĩu nĩ mũrĩtie thirikari yoe makinya ma kũrora thibitari ũyũ na nĩgetha ũrigiti ũkorwo ũgĩtwarithio na mbere ũrĩa kwagĩrĩire. Riboti makĩria ĩkĩrĩ na mwandĩki witũ wa mohoro.
Gute murutu wa wira ukuthamithua tondu gute murutu wa wira wa thibitari no mureme ni wira thirikari ni ra accept ni neme ni wira nikirenda kuruta excuse kuvitukira rutia wira. Demand number 2, Director of Public Health Embu County auke eke immediate detailed report ya status ya thibitari no.
Fikiri hata kuwekeza katika sekta ya afya imeendelea kuongezeka. Haiwezekani kwamba hawawezi pata huduma hapa nje na waweze kulazimishwa kutumia kosi ya kwenda katika referral kwa huduma ambazo wangezipata hapa. Waziri ambaye anasimamia shughuli za afya ndiye sababu kubwa ya kudidimia za huduma za afya katika gatuzi hili la Embu.
Governor of Embu County. Yes. My sister, Cecily Mbarire. You better resign kwa sababu ya mauaji hawa vijana. You better resign. For 2 weeks watu wa Ishara walikuwa wanasema kuna maandamano ya kuitisha haki ya hospitali. Au kusema kitu for 2 weeks.
Nikieha muno makiria kuona thibitari toyo wagite ginya mai barora ginya cioro uria cihana the condition tijego na hanini.
Na niguo thirikari ya kaunti ya Embu ni kwenda irute maguru ngonia kona ica ikuhi mururungano rurathiite na mbere mwena ucio ri atigire imwa na igire cigete mioyo yao na kiria mararunganaga magikinyira kihoto thibitari ni otiganeirio gwa kahinda karaya. Ni hari uthia thibitari ona uma murwaru kabroka hona
niguo tugakihoya ruhonge rwa gima wa mwiri ni rugwika mituki ruigwetha nigetha arwaru makorwo makirigitwo na njira iria yagiriire.
Na tuikirio hanini twende kuudio tumai na tugucokera na ripoti makiria ino ni session ya Murata wa Ngai TV kuga na gwika.
Eno ni Murata wa Ngai TV.
Hihi hihi ni wihariirie kuigwa ciĩgiĩ ũteti ũkinyitanĩra na kanitha?
Ngai aroguteithia.
Mungu akusaidie.
Ushonokere wĩra wa Ngai.
Waipikie kazi ya Bwana.
Utige kunyararithia wĩra wa Ngai.
Waache kufanya kazi ya Mungu idharauliwe.
Utungatĩri tiga kugayania wĩra wa Ngai.
Kiwa mtumishi waacha kugawanisha kazi ya Bwana.
Wĩra wa Ngai.
Aipikia kazi ya Bwana.
Na witherie.
Na ujitakase.
We have counted one too many. But this is now a wrong number.
Kinyitanire na ithuĩ gũkũ kwa Mũrata wa Ngai TV thaa 2 cia ũtukũ mũthenya wa Kiumia tabarĩra-inĩ ya Nguru-Ngai-nĩ.
Nimesikia mmemwambia Stephen ya kwamba kulia kushoto mbele na nyuma lazima usimame rais. Lakini unajua hata mimi niliambiwa hivyo.
This fight belongs to the Lord. He brought us here. He brought us here.
You cannot call out somebody for the wrong and then you are committing the wrong yourself.
Gekururire karenda yaku tukanyitanagira na tukamenyaga haria twerekeire turi ta bũrũri.
Eno ni Mũrata wa Ngai TV.
Nĩ harĩ ũmwe wanyu gatagati kanyu ũrwarĩte. Ũcio nĩete athuri a kanitha nao mamũhoere makĩmũitagĩrĩria maguta rĩtwa-inĩ rĩa Mwathani. Tarĩki nĩ 1 mweri-inĩ wa gatano na rĩo igongona nĩ mahoya ma o mweri marĩa magakorwo magũcokeria Ngai ngatho nĩ arĩa ahonu na kũhoera arĩa arwaru marĩa magatongorio nĩ Archbishop John Gĩthirĩ kanitha-inĩ wa Theophilus Church Njatha-inĩ. Inyuothe mũrĩ anyite ũgeni.
Eno ni Mũrata wa Ngai TV.
Gũkũ nĩ kwa Mũrata wa Ngai TV kuga na gwĩka gĩkĩ nĩ gĩtwe kĩa mohoro marĩa makwĩgiĩ. Nĩ twacokereria tũthiĩ na mbere na riboti citũ. Kamĩtĩ ya Senate ĩgiĩ ũgima wa mwĩrĩ nĩ ĩtarĩirie motungata moru kaunti-inĩ ya Baringo thutha wa thabarĩ ya ũthuthuria ĩrĩa ĩratongoragio nĩ mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wake ũrĩa nĩ Johnson Madago.
Thabarĩ ĩno ĩragarũrũkire hĩndĩ ĩrĩa maronire mathĩna marĩa magomeire thibitarĩ ici na wagi wa ndawa gũkorwo kuo kwa macini iria itararuta wĩra gatagatĩ ka mathĩna mangĩ maingĩ. Riboti ĩno ĩtũhingũrĩre ikereka ritũ rĩa
Ceiling zikaanza kutoka. Sasa tumejaribu kwenda kwa county government watusaidie, lakini they have delayed. They have delayed to assist us.
But of great concern is how the county government themselves vandalized the equipment that were in those facilities. The theater, the machines that were there.
Eldamaravine is among the biggest hospital facility. It's among the facilities that receives a lot of patients. And surprisingly, even these honorable senators, they were asking me why we don't have a CT scan and dialysis machine in Eldamaravine. So I'm wondering when our budget chairman tell us you spend about 3 billion.
Watu wa Baringo County wamehangaika hapa na pale. Hapa hata Panadol. Kuna mtu alikuja hapa juzi kuanzia asubuhi mpaka jioni. Pale baadaye hata ukitaka kwenda kutafuta Piriton unaambiwa enda nunua Piriton nyumbani.
How I wish the governor and his executive and his members of the county assembly can come and look at this facility. This is so embarrassing. It is so depressing. It is so sad. As a Kenyan, I am shocked that these things do exist in our country. A beautiful health center which has just been collapsed into zero. And you know these things collapse because of corruption.
Tutigane na riboti iyo igi ugima wa mwiri tugakihoya ruhonge ruru ni rugukorwo rugikamituke gutigirira thibitari ciothe ni ciri na maundu maria makiagiriire. Tuthi na mbere na riboti citu tukuingira mwena wa Homa Bay na arimu anene a thukuru makiria magiri 3 a thukuru cia muthingi kuma gicigo-ini giki kia Nyanza ni moritio gukorwo mari kionereria kiega kuri arutwo aria makoragwo makimafundithia kuona arutwo maroraga mitugo na makinya ma arimu nigetha marumirire mitugo iyo.
Hakiri uguo arimu aya ni macokeirio ngatho ni wira wao mwega wa gukinyanĩria mũtaratara wa CBE. Riboti ino rĩno ĩno.
The government is still committed to providing textbooks to all our learners on a 1-to-1 ratio. So if there is any school that for some reason failed to get these books, please, through our sub-county directors of education, through our county directors of education and even the RD's office, let the Ministry of Education know. Give us your accurate numbers so that we must make sure that these learners have these books.
As of institutions of special schools who are in this conference today, because the chief guest has articulated issues that are pertaining special needs. I want to urge the parents of children with special needs to bring the children to school. There are parents who are still hiding children in their homes. So I want to plead with the parents to bring the children to school.
Government of Kenya's commitment to ensuring that all children acquire foundational skills by the age of 10. The Council of Governors, through our chair of the Departmental Committee on Education, Governor Dr. Eric Mutai of Kericho, emphasized the central role of county governments in delivering foundational learning, describing it as both a moral obligation and an economic necessity.
Na shegi urimi tucenjie bodi ya sukari bururi-ini ni hete arimi aigwa mwihoko wa ati thirikari ni roya makinya ma gutigirira ni mamukira marihi mao kwa ihinda riria riagirire.
Na riu aikari a tauni ya Nairobi, afitha munene wa bodi ino ariwe Judy Chesire augite undu uyu ni ukurehe gikeno hari arimi aya na kumahe mwihoko wa guthii na mbere kuruta wira na njira iria yagiriire.
Standardized can supply agreements which are anchored on the law. In our regulations, we have standard supply agreements which our millers are supposed to follow, and in the agreements we have penalties when they delay in paying. We also have transparent pricing mechanisms, and we also enforce payment timelines where if the miller defaults, there is a percentage in which they are going to pay the farmers. We also have a structure for dispute resolution. The law has created a tribunal to handle any related issues regarding the sugar industry, and it's under the judiciary. In driving productivity, closing yield and efficiency gap, we've developed about 28 cane varieties. We also have encouraged our millers to also explore and get other varieties from other countries. We have a Kenya Sugar Research Institute that we mandated to do the research and also multiply the seed cane so that we are able to progress and increase our production.
Tukiaba tuikirio rohanini nigetha tucokererie na riboti ingi nyingi ririkana gutwareria hara 0742 38 38 38 oro ndumwe na 0742 41 41 41 inyumukire kura YouTube ni turamwamukira oro wega turacokereria.
Eno ni Murata wa Ngai TV.
hihi ni wiguite murata wa Ngai TV iragwa gwakuja otaba na nikio niye Wanjiru wa Wainaina ndirakurehera tabarira ya murata maturaine kuria turihukuraga matura matiganite tukamenya uria matariĩ. Tabarira no iri gukinyagira thaa 1 cia hwaini muthenya wa Jumamothi. Ni tunyitanagire.
Eno ni Murata wa Ngai TV.
Twashokereria mwiroreri wa Murata wa Ngai TV tuigire iharo-ini citu na tukumurika UEFA Champions League na Bayern Munich